Mature, no makeup how-to. I have quite dark circles. I'm going to show you where to apply your concealer. Look in the mirror and look down so I can really see where the bag is. Take your concealer, tap this in the crevice, focus that coverage in the crevice. Look at the difference that this has made. Get that makeup on. This has definitely brightened this area. Find a lengthening and volumizing smudge-proof mascara. Hold the spoolie at the root of your lash and blink onto it. That is all you do. Ways to bring your complexion and your bone structure to life. These are called watercolour blushes. They're very, very unique. I've used these as a makeup artist for 15 years. They look so natural. When you first use them, you shake them, and because they're called watercolour blush, it's basically like water. But the genius in this formulation is that when you're doing a no makeup look, the colour goes on, but your skin shows through, so it just looks like it's part of your natural complexion. With a clean finger that doesn't have the blush on, you're going to swirl up towards the top of your ear. You can see that it's starting to sculpt my cheekbones. With the leftover on your hand, you can take a little bit of this and just pop it onto your lids. These two shades work brilliantly together. One gives a gentle sculpt. This one gives a really nice, fresh complexion lift. And they're designed to work together. On the back of our hand, dab in with your ring finger. And then this time, we're just going to pat onto the apples of our cheeks. Now I've put these two together. Look how much more sort of fresh this side of my face looks. This trio here gives you the most stunning lip look. Start with this liner. Little feathery motions. Colour a little bit of the lip liner on my lips. This ensures as my lipstick wears off, the lip liner underneath not only helps my lipstick stand for longer, but it all wears off together. As we get older, we want light into our faces. So putting a little lip gloss over the top really just lifts the face. We are going to give our face a really beautiful glow. It's a treatment for your face, but it also makes your makeup look incredibly natural and gives you this beautiful glow throughout the day. And just spritz. When your whole face has this glow, it just looks like it's your skin gleaming and really lifting and brightening. These products, you could do this look in about 3 minutes.